This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your DAW and importing the stereo mix. Duplicate the track so you can revert. Keep one copy muted while you work. Next, confirm the sample rate and file format to avoid resampling artifacts. Once done, normalize the duplicate to a safe level and inspect phase and stereo content. You're preparing the session so later processing targets center pan vocals without degrading the instrumental. Now you perform the core removal steps. First, try channel inversion. Duplicate, invert polarity of left channel, then sum to mono to cancel center elements. This often reduces lead vocals. If that's rough, switch to mid-side processing and lower the mid channel or use a dedicated vocal remover plugin. This retains stereo ambience while cutting centered voice energy. For stubborn traces, open a spectral editor and surgically attenuate vocal bands, roughly 300 Hz to 3 kHz, smoothing transitions so instruments stay intact. Finish by cleaning artifacts and preparing the export. Use dynamic EQ and de-essing to tame leftover sibilance, and add subtle reverb or stereo widening to mask any hollowness. Automate fades on vocal remnants. Once satisfied, bounce at the original sample rate and bit depth to preserve quality, then compare a /B with the original. If voices persist or are essential, switch to AI separation tools or obtain stems from the source. This is the go-to fix when traditional cancellation introduces unacceptable artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.